Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use TikTok refund balance. If you've received a TikTok refund, it usually goes into your TikTok shop balance, a virtual wallet inside the app, rather than back to your bank. This balance can only be used for future purchases within TikTok shop, so it's perfect for browsing items and checking out without using other payment methods. To use it, simply select the TikTok shop balance at checkout if you have enough funds. For add account funds, log into your account, go to settings, then funds, and request a refund for any unspent ad balance. Processing times may vary by region. Keep in mind, TikTok refund balance cannot be withdrawn or transferred externally, and sometimes it may have expiration limits or category restrictions. So always check your country's TikTok shop terms. Essentially, your refunded balance stays within TikTok shop and is ready to use for your next purchase. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.